In tight studio spaces or expansive outdoor setups, precise camera control makes all the difference. The Trexo Pro Kit V2 steps into that role with a suite of powerful features tailored for creators who demand accuracy and flexibility. Its automatic face tracking, accessible via the iOS Trexo Slider app, locks onto subjects to ensure you're always in frame. Ideal for vloggers and solo shooters who need hands-free precision. The Shegel intelligent bird feeder system brings a new level of innovation to birdwatching. Designed for nature enthusiasts, this advanced feeder combines state-of-the-art features to create a seamless, user-friendly experience. With its squirrel-proof design, the system ensures that only birds can access the food, while keeping pesky animals at bay. It also boasts a leak-proof and ant and bee-proof structure, making it highly durable and low maintenance. The bird bath is equipped with an advanced filtration and recycling system, ensuring clean, fresh water for birds at all times. The Campster 2 is an innovative portable chair that combines convenience and durability for those on the go. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, this lightweight chair is easy to carry and set up, making it an ideal choice for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone in need of a quick seating solution. The chair's aluminum frame offers both strength and portability, ensuring a solid base with a 300 pounds weight capacity. Its unique, embracing seat design adds a layer of comfort, making it perfect for lounging during camping trips or outdoor events. The SwitchBot Universal Remote elevates your home automation experience, making it easier to manage a wide range of infrared appliances, from air conditioners to TVs and lights. With its remarkable compatibility, it controls not only standard devices but also Fire TV, Apple TV, and other SwitchBot Bluetooth gadgets. Setting up this device is effortless. Within 10 minutes, you can add appliances through the app, drawing from an extensive library of 83,934 supported remote models. The Basius Pico Go power bank is a compact and versatile 10,000 mAh external battery designed for quick and efficient charging. With its 45-watt output, this power bank supports fast charging, making it an excellent choice for those who need reliable power on the go. It features 3 output ports, including a built-in USB-C cable, ensuring you can charge multiple devices simultaneously. Whether you're using it for smartphones, tablets, or laptops, the Pico Go power bank delivers a steady and reliable power supply. Step into the rhythm of speed and style. Rollwalk ERW3. Electric shoes redefine urban movement with precision and edge. Whether you're gliding across concrete or sprinting toward your next adventure, these e-shoes respond with crisp acceleration and effortless spin. Rollwalk's cutting-edge PEVs deliver the kind of control and thrill that makes every step feel like a leap into the future. On smooth pavement, the ERW3 shoes slide like blades on ice. Elevate your living space and audio setup with the Fuse Audio GLD, a vertically oriented turntable that brings artistry and high-fidelity sound into perfect harmony. Designed with a real ash tree wood veneer finish and trimmed in elegant gold or black, this system isn't just about listening, it's about experiencing music in its most expressive form. The vertical layout makes your vinyl the focal point while conserving space and adding architectural interest to your room. Transforming the way you care for garments, this full-length mirror does more than reflect your style. It actively protects it. Behind its sleek surface lies a powerful steam system designed to sanitize, deodorize, freshen, and gently dry your favorite clothes and household fabrics. Whether you're revitalizing a delicate blouse, removing odors from winter coats, or refreshing throw blankets, the built-in steam technology paired with moving hangers delivers effective wrinkle reduction without harsh chemicals or abrasive cycles. In a world overwhelmed by clunky accessories, the Gator grip stand emerges as a refined tool of pure function. This ultra-slim, feather-light piece is engineered to integrate seamlessly into any setting. Whether you're dialing into meetings at your desk, streaming at the coffee shop, or navigating maps in your car. Forget screws, hinges, or complex parts. This is a single sculpted unit built for performance. Tucked into a backpack or clipped inside your boat, the Toadfish Stowaway LED light lantern is built to illuminate the wild without compromise. Forged from a seamless aluminum body, this lantern shrugs off impacts and weather alike. Its fully sealed IPX7 construction makes it waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and yes, it floats. Whether you're fishing pre-dawn or navigating a pitch-black trail, this light delivers when it counts. Equipped with bright white, dim, flash, and red light modes, the Stowaway gives you total control of your environment. Office life doesn't have to mean sitting still for 8 hours. The FlexiSpot V9U brings healthy motion into your daily routine, transforming idle time into light cardio without disrupting your workflow. Designed for seamless integration beneath standing desks, this Underdesk bike lets you pedal your way through spreadsheets, emails, or virtual meetings, all without breaking focus. With whisper-quiet magnetic resistance and 8 intensity levels, you're in full control of your movement, whether you're warming up or powering through a long call. A new frontier in sim racing precision begins when every control responds like a machine built for the podium. The Logitech G Pro racing wheel redefines responsiveness with its direct drive motor delivering up to 11 Nm of torque. Each turn, drift, and correction transmits with brutally accurate low-latency feedback, mimicking real-world physics to the finest detail. True Force technology takes that realism even deeper, connecting you directly to in-game physics. From the buzz of curbs to the subtle shift in traction, it communicates everything nearly instantly. Step into comfort without the clutter. Comfy Air offers the ideal year-round solution for small spaces like kitchens, bathrooms, RVs, or dorms. No complicated setups, no bulky machines, just efficient climate control in a sleek design. Perfectly sized to rest on a windowsill, Comfy Air saves floor space while delivering powerful heating and cooling where you need it most. Installing Comfy Air is straightforward. Its claw-style grip fastens snugly to your window without damaging the wall or frame. When terrain gets rough and speed calls for more than just muscle, the Kingong F22 Pro rises to the occasion with mechanical precision and raw electric fury. Anchored by a massive 5,500-watt motor and peaking at an astonishing 12,000 watts, this electric unicycle refuses to hold back. Its top idle speed soars to an eye-widening 80 miles per hour, setting a benchmark in high-performance personal mobility. The Davoom Tavoo 2 strikes a visual chord straight out of the 1990s, blending nostalgia with smart functionality. Inspired by vintage CRT televisions, this compact FM Bluetooth speaker houses a full-range driver and a high-grade DSP chip to deliver crisp highs, balanced mids, and deep bass with stable signal reception. It's more than a speaker, it's a personal experience hub. Use it as a real-time digital photo frame, a productivity-boosting Pomodoro timer, or an aesthetic bedside clock. Step back into the golden arcade era, only this time you build the machine yourself. The Roker 3D Pinball Puzzle EG01 is a mechanical marvel that fuses timeless pinball action with the satisfaction of a hands-on challenge. Every ramp, bumper, and spinner in this intricate wooden machine is powered by your patience and precision. Once assembled, flip the switch and enjoy dynamic sound effects, glowing lights, and thrilling track action that keeps the ball racing, testing your reflexes and strategy in real time. Bathed in the quiet glow of drifting auroras, the Govi Star light projector transforms any ceiling into a dreamscape of light and motion. Designed to ignite your atmosphere with elegance and technology, this projector delivers 3 unique aurora flowing effects that ripple across your walls in fluid color transitions. Whether used in a bedroom, studio, or lounge, it creates an immersive visual experience that's as calming as it is captivating. With 16 million adjustable colors and 52 tailored scene modes, The Sensole all-in-one smart home gym is a cutting-edge solution for those who want to bring the full-body workout experience into their homes. Powered by a digital weight system, this gym offers a dynamic range of resistance levels from 2.5 to 120 kilograms, catering to all fitness levels and goals. Its integrated smart app and AI coaching provide a personalized fitness journey, allowing users to track progress and refine their training techniques. This innovative home gym is designed to save space while offering versatility for different workout types. Crisp mornings, quiet evenings, ideal moments made better by a fresh pour from the Igulu S1. This intelligent home brewing machine features Fermentech control, an advanced, fully automated system regulating temperature from 35 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit and pressure up to 14 pounds per square inch. Whether you're brewing a Bavarian wheat or English porter, it adapts to any recipe effortlessly. The EcoPower Test Fridge is a cutting-edge portable freezer, meticulously designed for Tesla Model Y, 3, and X. It offers an impressive 36-liter capacity, allowing ample space for storing frozen items during road trips or outdoor adventures. With its adjustable temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, the Test Fridge provides flexibility for preserving various types of food, beverages, and other essentials, catering to all your travel needs. Sleek, compact freezer is specifically tailored to fit seamlessly in the Tesla subtrunk, making it a perfect addition for those who enjoy long drives or require extra storage. Whether you're keeping beverages chilled or frozen meals fresh, the Test Fridge guarantees efficient cooling while being energy conscious, utilizing the vehicle's power without excessive strain. The SpaceTop G1 redefines the concept of portable computing, blending augmented reality with practical functionality. Unlike traditional laptops, the SpaceTop G1 uses a pair of AR glasses linked to a minimalist keyboard and trackpad. These glasses create a virtual 100-inch screen that floats in the real world, eliminating the need for a physical display. This innovation lets users work without the restrictions of cramped spaces, making it ideal for travelers or those constantly on the go. The G1 model is notably slimmer than its predecessor, making it more portable. The glasses now fold neatly into the chassis, simplifying storage. The display quality has also been enhanced with dual OLED screens offering high resolution and a smoother 90 Hz refresh rate, making the virtual experience feel fluid. Introducing the Scottu M1, a groundbreaking cleaning device that elevates home hygiene to the next level. The M1 combines versatility with powerful technology designed to efficiently clean and sterilize your home in a single pass. With the ability to vacuum both wet and dry messes, this device tackles all types of surfaces effortlessly, from carpets to hard floors. Incorporating cutting-edge features, the Scottu M1 offers a handheld vacuum mode for precise cleaning in tight spaces. Utilizing advanced electrolysis technology, it generates a potent disinfectant, ensuring your home remains free from harmful bacteria and germs. The UV lamp sterilization further enhances the cleaning process, eliminating pathogens that traditional vacuums cannot reach. Additionally, the M1 comes with a self-cleaning and drying feature, which simplifies maintenance, ensuring that the vacuum is always ready for the next use. The Keral sports water bottle stands out with its advanced features designed for athletes and health-conscious individuals. Built with PEM-SPE electrolysis technology, this bottle creates hydrogen-rich water, delivering up to 3,000 parts per billion of hydrogen concentration. This cutting-edge technology uses a platinum titanium electrode combined with a 1 mm ionic membrane to maximize the water's hydrogen content, which is known for its potential health benefits, including improved hydration and reduced oxidative stress. Constructed from durable Triton material, the bottle ensures a long-lasting, lightweight solution for carrying water without compromising on strength or clarity. The Triton design also eliminates the risk of harmful chemicals, making it a safe and reliable choice for everyday use. This water bottle's innovative features combine seamlessly to offer a sleek, functional, and sustainable product. The Sweetie Flake Shaved Ice Maker redefines convenience and versatility in your kitchen with its innovative features. Whether you're preparing a refreshing treat for yourself or entertaining guests, this machine ensures a seamless ice-making experience. Its multiple ice styles offer the flexibility to create finely shaved snow, coarser textures, and everything in between, catering to various preferences. Equipped with a powerful 10-speed blade system, the Sweetie Flake can adjust its performance based on your desired texture, ensuring perfect ice consistency. With a 5-liter water tank capacity, this unit allows for extended use without frequent refilling, making it perfect for larger gatherings. It can produce shaved ice in just 60 seconds, providing a quick and efficient solution for satisfying your cravings in no time. The Verneck Pillow Lounge redefines comfort for modern travelers, offering unparalleled convenience and support. Whether you're navigating busy airports, relaxing by the pool, or enjoying a long flight, this innovative pillow adapts effortlessly to your needs. In seconds, it transforms into a fully functional air lounge, providing a perfect spot for you to relax during breaks in your journey. Designed with portability in mind, the pillow is lightweight yet supportive, ensuring that your neck and head remain well cushioned. Its versatile nature allows you to use it not only for neck support but also for lounging anywhere you need. When inflated, it provides a soft yet firm surface to rest on, helping reduce strain during long periods of sitting. The ZenX Carbon Foldable Seat is designed to offer exceptional comfort and support while ensuring easy portability and long-lasting durability. Featuring a larger seating area with soft memory foam padding, this seat provides a high level of comfort that improves your posture, making it perfect for outdoor adventures or long hours spent sitting. The addition of a pocket allows for convenient storage of small items, keeping your essentials close at hand. Crafted with palm locks, this seat ensures secure and stable use, while the aluminum-reinforced foot adds strength and resilience, making it suitable for a variety of terrains. Fully adjustable, it allows you to personalize the seat to your preferred sitting position, enhancing comfort further. Whether you're on a camping trip, attending an outdoor event, or simply relaxing in your backyard, the ZenX Carbon Foldable Seat promises a practical and comfortable solution. Experience the convenience of the Satichi 3-in-1 Foldable Qi 2 wireless charging stand, designed to streamline your charging routine. With advanced QI2 fast charging technology, this station offers lightning-fast charging speeds of up to 15 watts for your iPhone and 5 watts for both AirPods and Apple Watch. Double the speed of typical chargers, ensuring your devices are powered up swiftly and efficiently. Its MagSafe compatibility allows you to charge your devices securely and easily, with the added benefit of hands-free viewing in both portrait and landscape modes. Featuring standby support, the charger ensures your devices stay firmly in place while they power up, making it perfect for a clutter-free desk setup or bedside table. The Petite Foray Plus Tropical Moss Terrarium offers a seamless blend of nature and technology. This innovative terrarium features full app control for managing growth, lighting, and watering, providing a convenient way to care for your plants. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or new to indoor gardening, this terrarium simplifies the process with its intuitive features. The system allows you to easily monitor and adjust the environment for your tropical moss, ensuring optimal conditions for growth. The included planting guide makes setup a breeze, even for beginners. As the plants thrive, they bring fresh air into your home, enhancing the atmosphere with their lush greenery. Crafted with care, the Petite Foray Plus is designed to seamlessly integrate into your living space.